Okay, today is another do-it-yourself video. I'm gonna degrease my engine bay and engine. I'm gonna use this gunk engine degreaser, and then after that I'm gonna wash it off with my power washer. I'm gonna take out these and then take out the cover, the engine cover, and then I'm gonna use a Ziploc bag or a plastic cover bag to cover the intake manifold or the intake filter, so that when I washed it, it won't suck in water to your engine. If you don't do that, your car will break down. So what I did is I used 2 Ziploc bag to cover this air intake, so it won't go into the air intake manifold. When you turn on the engine, it won't suck water and mess up your engine with that. Okay, so I'm gonna use this engine degreaser by Gunk. I'm gonna spray the whole engine. Okay, now do it on this side. Make sure to let the car cool down before doing it though, because if the car is hot, it might cause some inflammation or so. Just make sure to spray some area. There's some here to get some, especially like in the back where there's like a lot of like oil residue. As you can see, after some spray and some water cleaning, it looks really new and shiny. Yeah, this is the bottom cover for the oil tank, and this is for the front. Okay, they look really nice and clean now. Now I'm gonna take you to go see the engine. After the degreaser and spray some water to it, looks really clean. There you go. Okay, looks really clean. Okay, like I said, make sure to cover that. Okay, and then I'm gonna just let it dry it up a little bit, for 15-30 minutes, and I'll put everything back, and then we'll start it up just to see. Okay.